my beautiful farm faces. Today I have an unboxing of a diamond painting, Broderie aux Diamants, and a Pinnature con Diamantes from Oraloa. This is a sneak peek. This diamond painting is going to be released tomorrow, Friday, March 3rd. If you want it, make sure you set your alarms. And if you didn't know, I am an Oraloa ambassador. They sent this canvas to me to showcase and share with you guys. So let's get into it. First off, I'm going to show you, oh my goodness, I love this image so much. I'm going to show you the thumbnail. It is called Le Tête dans l'Étoile. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but the artist is Maud Lamoine. It measures 70 by 45. It's a square diamond painting. And if you want to check out Oraloa, here's their contact information. I'll put this information in the description box below. So this came to me within a box. So they ship a box within a box, so your diamond painting will be protected. And if you didn't know, Oraloa is based in France, but they do have distribution warehouses in Canada and in France. And since I am in Canada, I'm very happy about that because literally shipping does not take long at all to get to me. Let's get into it. Okay, so what do we have? We have, whoa, our long package of drills. They come pre-baggied. Ooh, I see ABs. Do you guys see those ABs? Oh my goodness. Yeah, so these are our drills. You can kind of see the colors, and my cat is always in the way. If you've never ordered an Oraloa before, here's what you get in the toolkit. Okay, I'm not going to take everything out, but basically you can peek in there. You get blue wax, a purple squishy, a pen with, I think there's a 3-placer in there, tweezers, and a 6-placer. I never know what kind of placer that is, what size it is. But that is your basic toolkit. Now let's roll the canvas. Actually, before we do that, before I show you guys the canvas, oh my goodness, I'm taking a sneak peek and it is beautiful. You will get instructions on how to diamond paint. So here are some tips and tricks, or instructions, tips and tricks. And then on the back, just a little bit more about Oraloa. Then you also get this handy dandy little sticker sheet. So here's a bigger view of what the diamond painting is. Again, it measures 65 by 45, and it looks like it's going to be 49 colors with 1 AB. And these stickers are perforated, so you can just cut them and put them on your diamond painting containers or whatever you kit up on. You can even put them on the baggies if you prefer to kit up with using baggies. And my hands are dry, so don't look at my hands. Just pretend that I am a hand model. I'm gonna roll this canvas backwards to show you guys. And we can roll it backwards because it is poured glue, so that's exciting. And voila! Oh my my floor is hairy. Okay, why am I so disgusting? I don't know. My floor is pretty hairy from my cats. Oh my goodness though. I'm so glad I chose this for sneak peek. This is gorgeous. It's pretty big. Like, I can't get it all in one frame, but oh my goodness. I think this is like 70 centimeters is the maximum for me. So this one actually measures, again, 69 by 45 centimeters. Here's the artist information. On the right-hand side, we have join the Oraloa family. They also have an Oraloa Facebook group. Let your creativity sparkle. Oh my goodness, I love her so much. At first glance, what do you guys think of this canvas? What do you think of the rendering? I have never had trouble with the drill field or the rendering, really. I don't think with Oraloa. Like, obviously, I'm going to be honest, even though I'm an ambassador. This is a square kit, and I have not tried their new squares, but they do say that their new squares are resin, so I'm hoping that they'll be awesome quality. On the top left-hand corner, you have the schematic. On the bottom right-hand corner, you have the schematic again. And again, this is going to be 49 colors with 1 AB. Let's take a look at the drill field up close. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Let's see. I'm not finding any issues. Do you guys see any issues? I'm going to go slow so you can ponder with your naked eye. But yeah, I'm not seeing any issues with the drill field. Like, all the symbols seem very clear. Wow, this is really pretty. I like this little bow at the bottom too. Oh my goodness, she kind of reminds me of like Sailor Moon. I don't know why, like obviously she's not Sailor Moon. But hi, there's like the bow, Sailor Moonish bow. There's the stars. She's holding like a thingy. What is it? A bat thing? I don't know. Yeah. What do you guys think? Oh my goodness. Like seriously, that's pretty close. That's a pretty close rendering. And I do like the rendering on her face. And yeah, I want to see. Okay, first let's look at this. This is the AB. So number 49 is going to be this AB, this light beige. I wonder where that goes on our canvas. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to take a look. So 49 is those two. It's going to be, okay, so in the stars you'll see that AB, in the bow you'll see that AB. Hopefully you could see that. You probably couldn't see. In the stars, the bow, and here in the stars here, star up there. In her hair, there's going to be that AB. So all along like this area. In the background, there's going to be that AB. So I think from the looks of it, it looks like the AB is kind of scattered throughout that beigeish tan area. So I think it'll be nice, like a nice little accent. They're not all concentrated in one place, which I really like, because I don't really like when one thing is just all ABs. I like when they're scattered throughout. So I think that'll make for a really good finish. Let me know what you guys think about this canvas down below. And again, this canvas is going to be released tomorrow, March 3rd. And if you want to get a 15% off discount, feel free to use my code BevB15. I'll flash it on the screen for you. You don't have to use my code. Oraloa has another 15% off code, but I would really, really appreciate if I somehow made you want to buy this. If you would use my code, I probably get like $2 or something, like just being honest. But it would show to them that, hi, I'm an ambassador and I ambassador people to buy from you. Yeah, I'm gonna go. If you are new here and you like diamond painting, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it. I'm going to go. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this one. Have you tried Oraloa? Have you tried their new square drills? Are you going to add this to your wish list? Tell me all the things. Bye!